Hello. Today we're going to discuss how to add a FlexWand to your WaterBoss washdown nozzle. Adding a FlexWand is a little bit different than adding a traditional rigid wand to your nozzle. A FlexWand is used when you need to clean inside a tank and you want to put the nozzle face down, and then you can shoot underneath your tank every which way, all directions. It is a bend and stay FlexWand. Adding the FlexWand to your WaterBoss will take you under a minute. It is quite simple. You need a nozzle tip for your desired spray pattern. You will need a quick change nozzle adapter, your FlexWand, and some box cutters. The first step, we remove the gray nozzle shroud from your WaterBoss washdown nozzle. Then we will use our box cutter to remove our nozzle tip from the front of the nozzle. Pop it right off, super easy, super simple. From there, we will add our quick change nozzle adapter. Goes in, press it in. Add the gray nozzle shroud back to the front of your nozzle. Make sure it's nice and tight. From there, we will take the male end of our wand and screw it into our WaterBoss. And lastly, we add our nozzle tip for our desired spray pattern. In under 1 minute, we have now added a bend and stay FlexWand to our WaterBoss, allowing us to clean in those tricky and difficult places to clean. Thank you very much.